How to create a Hotmail account on your device. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to install Hotmail application on your device. For that you have to go to your Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for Hotmail. You'll be able to see Microsoft Outlook option. It's another name for Hotmail, so you have to simply install it on your device and go for open. After opening up the app, you'll be able to see this interface over here. Since we are trying to create an account, you have to go for create new account option. After that, you need to create your new email over here. After that, you need to create a password for over here. And after creating, you can go for next. If you want to save your password to Google, then you can go for save. This will make easy for you to log in from the next time. After that, in these two text box, you need to enter your first name and last name, and you can go for next. And in this section, you need to select your country or region and enter your birth date. And after that, you have to go for next. Before that, you need to solve a puzzle and prove that you are not a robot. For that, you need to solve some of these queries. And after the verification is completed, you will be taken to the further step. And here you will be opened up to the description. If you want to read, then you can read. After reading all this, you can go for continue. And here, if you want to add another account, you can go for add. If not, then you can go for maybe later option. You can go for next over here. You can accept this or either decline. And after that, you have to go for continue to Outlook. And finally, you can see Hotmail account has been created. So by following this simple step, you can create a Hotmail account on your device. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.